Hi, Mrs. Hensley's friends. I'm back. It is time for math. Now, you can use your 10 frame, like I said, anytime you want. I would like for you to practice your 10 frame with the number 8 today, okay? I pulled out my number card, and that's what I want you to do as well. And I want you to pull out your counters, okay? Mrs. Hensley has this 10 frame. So I am going to use this 10 frame. It's a magnet 10 frame. Okay, so I'm going to put it up here on my board. It looks like yours out around here. Okay, so I'm going to use that. And I've got magnetic chips. Okay, magnetic chips or counters. I am going to make the number 8 because that is the number that we are focusing on today. Remember, when you're using your 10 frame, you have to fill up in all the blanks on the top before you can go down to the bottom. And we're moving from left to right, okay? So I want you to watch. I'm doing 8, okay? So I want you to watch because it's very important that this is how you do your 10 frames, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now yours is going to be like this, and you're going to put your counters in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 while it's laying on a table or on a floor in front of you. Okay, and it's going to be facing you. Okay, that's how it's going to be. I'm holding it up because I'm showing you. When you are finished, remember, clear your work mat and count your chips. I'm going to show you again and put them in here. You should have 20. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Do I have all of mine? Yes, I do, because there are 20. And I'm going to put my lid on and listen for the click. Are you ready? Did you hear that? Let's try it again. It's not cooperating today. Here we go. Click. Okay? Make sure they're in here and put these in a safe place along with your 10 frame. Okay? Your 10 frame. 10 frame. Okay? Need you to do that for Mrs. Hensley. We are focusing again on the number 8. Okay? You will have a seesaw activity in here where you are now to complete your activity 8. Okay? Have fun. Enjoy working on the number 8, and I will talk to you soon. Have a wonderful Wednesday. Bye, friends.